This is the scaffold knot, also known as a poacher's knot, or sometimes as a double fisherman's loop. And its most common use is an end-line attachment knot, normally for climbing. You sometimes see this used for rigging as well, normally to fix a carabiner onto a tagline or a pulling rope or something like that. The reason it's not so commonly used for rigging is that it'll bind up very tight. It becomes hard to undo without taking the carabiner out. But what makes it such a nice knot for climbing is that it's very small and compact, and it cinches nicely onto the carabiner. I mean, you can see that that's on there tightly. So to tie the knot, I'll just get the carabiner out of the way, and you can see it just falls apart very neatly with the carabiner gone. To tie the knot, we bend the rope back on itself, and then just like tying a double overhand knot, we're just going once, twice, and through that loop. And you can see it all really simple, quick knot to dress. 2 bars on this side, cross over there, and it should cinch up tightly on the carabiner. And like many knots, I need to make sure I've got 5 times the diameter of the rope as a tail sticking out there, because this does creep in as it tightens. So just one thing to look out for with this knot. You can tie a variation that looks really similar. So by passing that bite through there, you know, that's going to look just the same. I have to tighten it up a different way, but really similar looking knot, but actually that's set the wrong way, and if I load it, you know, under load, that can just pull straight out. So just be very careful when you tie it correctly to put some load on it and make sure that you know, it cinches up tight on the carabiner. If it doesn't, if it looks like it's going to pull loose, you've tied it the wrong way. So that should just pull nice and tight into the carabiner. Beautiful.